Hi everyone, I have Riley Mae here and I'm giving her a bottle of water because she's been having the hiccups and it doesn't seem like these hiccups are going away. So I'm giving her a bottle of water and hopefully it'll take the hiccups away. I can recall my mom, she had her own remedies for babies with hiccups. She would take a brown paper bag, wet it, and place it on the baby's forehead. And she said that takes away the hiccups. Also, I heard that when babies get hiccups, it's because they're having a growth spurt. So maybe that's what Riley Mae is having. Maybe she's growing. So, yeah, she's going to grow to be a big girl. I'm so surprised that she's drinking this water the way she is. Because babies don't usually like water. Especially if you don't put some type of sugar in it. But she's really enjoying it. Maybe it's soothing her. Hopefully, this water will take these hiccups away. But if it doesn't, I'm going to try my mom's remedy. And if it works, guys, I'll be sure to let you know. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish giving her this bottle. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.